What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Honda Accord remote key fob. This key fob is going to work for both the regular Honda Accord and the Accord Hybrid, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to use for this video is a small flathead screwdriver in order to get the case open, but we'll take a look at how we can open it without the screwdriver as well. The first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this little release on the back of the fob that my thumb's on, and then the emergency key will pull out like that. Now for this part, this is where I'm going to use a screwdriver, but we'll also take a look at how to use this key in order to open this remote case. So if we take a look at the bottom of our key, we see these two plastic pieces that kind of look like the letter E. What I'm going to do is take my screwdriver, put it in between those two pieces like that, and then just pry the two halves apart, and you can see it pops it apart like that. Now, you can also use this emergency key, although I do find it maybe a little bit harder. So in this case, I would just take my emergency key, kind of push it in between those two pieces, and then still use it to pry up like that. Either way, once we get our case apart, we see our battery right here. And for this part, again, I'm going to grab a screwdriver, or you can use the key to get under the edge of the battery and get it out of that little holder. Now I'm going to grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up. And I'm going to tuck this edge in first, like that, and then snap it down into place. Make sure if your circuit board's moved around at all, it's sitting down in there where it needs to be. And then we can snap the two halves of the case back together, slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.